Welcome back, Rankers. Happy New Year, 2018. They said it wouldn't happen. Well, here we are. Big year this year for us. Lots of things happening. Got a book coming out soon, so I'll let you know about that. Getting a lot of people commenting on the YouTube channel. If you want to discuss some of these topics that we're talking about, or you disagree with me strongly, that's cool. The best way to do it is jump onto the YouTube channel and get into the comments there. Getting a lot of people doing that. A lot of people disagree with me about the net neutrality thing that I did last year, which is fine. But get on, appreciate everyone's feedback. Get on the YouTube channel, subscribe, please. I need more subscribers. I do a rubbish job of getting subscribers. YouTube.com/JimBoot to subscribe to the channel. And you'll see all this stuff, no matter where you're watching it. If you subscribe, you'll still get the updates. I wanted to talk to you just briefly today about, I'm not going to do, hey, what's big for SEO in 2018? Well, there is one thing that's probably going to be big because Google's already said, hey, it's going to be big in 2018, this thing. And it's structured data. So I told you about this last November when I got back from speaking at PubCon. And one of the things that Gary Isles was talking about there was structured data is going to be good. And he's saying, I saw him quoted the other day as saying, I would put structured data on everything. It's like, oh, yeah, okay. And look, structured data is great for Google because Google can then use that information that it finds on the web page and create products like their, hotels and all of these things where they can just scrape the data from using structured data and put it in a nice, easy to view format for the user within their ecosystem, not within yours. But it's also got a bunch of other effects too, like rich snippets for products and those sorts of things. Now they have, speaking of rich snippets, they have actually, they released this just before Christmas. And basically it's a new testing tool for rich results tests and it doesn't work. Well, the one I tested on this morning doesn't work and I think I know why. So this is rich results test. I've done Pro Blogger, Make Money Blogging. Page is not eligible for rich results. However, when we go into a search for Make Money Blogging, we can see that we do indeed have a rich result. Now, we call these featured answers. Some people call them rich answers, but basically they're answers, right? And Google has said when they first came out, and we got this one a couple of years ago, this was the first one I did, and Google said back then that it doesn't actually need structured data, one of these featured answers. But the rich snippets tool says that it's not eligible for a rich snippet, and I thought that was a rich snippet. But there you go. We are appearing there for that rich snippet. One of the things that made me go, oh, that's interesting, that's new, was also just the other day, I was responding to someone's comment about this video, which was a response to the SEO trolls that came out and left fake reviews everywhere. And I just did the search in Google because I'd noticed a spike in traffic. And I did the search in Google and all of a sudden I saw, whoa, we've got a featured video position. We'd never had that before. But I've seen these featured video positions before, and this one's got now over 25,000 views, so it could be something to do with that. But what was really interesting for me, and it's probably going to upset a lot of publishers, possibly a lot of video bloggers, is this information here. Suggested clip, 121 seconds. Now that link there has got a time code in that link, and it goes directly to 1 minute and, 33? 1 minute and 33 seconds. And it bypasses the pre-roll ad that I've got on it. So there's a lot of controversy at the moment with Google or YouTube censoring or removing the ability for a video to have advertising on it because the video might be controversial. Advertisers don't want to be associated with that, whatever it is. And a lot of people are really upset about that. But Google's doing it to themselves. They're doing it in the rich results. So they're saying, no, you don't want to see that ad, just go straight to the results. So Interesting stuff, but if you want to go and have a play with the rich snippets tool, not the structured data tool, totally separate thing. The rich snippets tool, where is that? It's search.google.com/test and rich results. So that's how you can test your rich results, but it doesn't seem to work for featured answers. Probably works for, I'll play with it today, but probably works for rich featured products, product snippets, those sorts of things. Hopefully that's helpful. It's going to be a great year. Hope it's going to be an awesome year for you, and we will see you next week. Keep the comments coming. If you're a blogger, make sure you get onto bloggersSEO.com, join the Facebook group, and we're doing, free audits about 3 times a week in there. So get onto that, and we will see you next week. Thanks very much, everyone. Bye.